I'm going to use my electric pressure cooker to make chicken noodle soup. This soup stock is a genius idea. You can add all your aromatics such as thyme, rosemary, oregano, carrots, peppers, celery, onion, right into the soup stock. Cook it in the bag. Then, at the end of cooking, you simply just remove the entire bag, let it drain off, and now you don't have anything to fish out of your soup. I'm going to use my spice blend to season the chicken. Everything goes into the pot. Then I'm going to carefully add water to the pot, making sure that I do not exceed that maximum line right there. Be sure you double check to make sure your pressure valve is sealed.
By trapping steam, it allows pressure to build inside the pot, which raises the boiling point. Instead of 212 degrees Fahrenheit, you can get the liquid in your cooker up as high as 250 degrees, which is enough to significantly shorten stewing and braising times. In here, your meat is going to get tender much faster. It could be 3 hours in this thing and becomes 45 minutes in this thing.
When that timer goes out, I'll pull my chicken out, put it on the sheet pan, and allow it to brown in the oven before adding it back to the pot. That just adds an extra richness to the broth. Now, to keep things interesting, I add fresh celery, carrots, peas, butternut squash, and some other vegetables. This gives a nice texture to the soup. Now, my soup hack to you is going to be to add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. That will really brighten up the flavor. Bon appetit, friends.